Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. I want to thank you for being here today, and I hope you'll follow along. If you're not subscribed, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button now and follow me along on my resin journey. Okay, I have some polyurethane resin here from Let's Resin. And the first thing I notice when looking at this is that they're uneven. Actually, I'm going to take this down and show you what I mean. I'll take that right now. I don't know if you can see that. Besides the right side being a little yellow, they're totally uneven. And I haven't even opened this yet. I did get it a week or two ago, maybe 3 weeks ago. I haven't had time to use it yet. But yeah, that's a little disheartening to see that they're not even. So that means I'm going to have more of part A and less of part B. Just wanted to test this out today. So I'm going to mix. Wanted to use my little rabbit, and I know this turns white, so I thought I would. So I'll be speeding most of this up because basically I just measured 1 part A and 1 part B, and I mixed it with a little bit of paint. I had Extreme Sheen here, and it didn't really mix very well with this resin. As you can see, the resin is very liquidy. It's about the same viscosity of water. Some of the parts here I am totally out of frame, and I do apologize for that. You do need to work very fast with this. As soon as you mix it, you will feel it get warm in your hands, and you need to pour that immediately. Now, as you can see here, this looks like it's alive. Yes, it does. So just watch as I go through the process with this. I do experiment a little bit, and just watch to the end. It was just a fun day. Okay, so let's do that one again. So I don't know what happened. As you can see, we have marshmallow. It looks like marshmallow. It's hard like a rock. Listen to it, but it's light as a feather. Light. I don't know. But this is hard. Look at that. Became shiny. I don't know. I don't even know what to say. I'm going to try it another day. But as far as I'm concerned, usually I can say, well, I can make do with what happened, but this is a mystery to me. Okay, these are done. This is still a little warm in the back, but it's definitely enough time that I can demold this. And although this is not the way that the polyurethane resin is supposed to look, it's the way I decided I was going to be playing with this today. Something a little out of the box. And it was just a play. It was a play date video today. There's lots of nooks and crannies in here, kind of like in Thomas's English Muffin, if you want to call it that. But I thought it was kind of fun to play around with. So if you were looking for your regular polyurethane resin video, this is not it. But it was lots of fun to do, and I do hope you had a halfway decent time watching this today. If you're not subscribed here today and you'd like to follow me on my journey, I'd be more than happy to have you along. If you haven't seen Aishu from Aishu Crafty Kids Club, who was directly before me, please take a moment of your time and go back and watch her awesome video. And we do have something really special coming up, and that's going to be Aishu's 15th birthday party. And I'm going to give you a little information on that in a moment.
The sun is all